Foreign financial investors, navigating the global economic landscape. The globalized world thrives on complex financial interactions, and foreign financial investors, FFIs, are key players in this intricate dance. These individuals or institutions from outside a country's borders bring their capital and expertise, shaping a nation's economic destiny. Understanding FFIs and their impact is crucial for navigating the ever-shifting tides of the international financial system. The two faces of foreign investment. FFIs engage in two primary investment styles. Foreign direct investment, FDI. Imagine a major global brand setting up a manufacturing plant in your country. That's FDI at work. It involves acquiring a controlling interest in a local business or establishing a new branch, infusing the economy with substantial capital. This investment fuels job creation, fosters technological advancements, and stimulates economic growth. Foreign portfolio investment, FPI. This approach involves buying stocks, bonds, or other financial assets in a foreign market. Think of a hedge fund diversifying its portfolio by investing in companies across the globe. FPI is generally more passive, with investors not directly controlling the businesses they invest in. However, it plays a vital role by increasing liquidity in the market. This makes it easier for companies to raise capital and for investors to buy and sell assets, creating a more dynamic and efficient financial ecosystem. The boon of foreign investment. FFIs can be a driving force for a country's economic prosperity. Capital injection, businesses, especially startups and those in developing economies, often face a funding gap. FDI bridges this gap by providing much-needed capital. This allows companies to expand their operations, invest in research and development, and ultimately create new jobs. Market growth. FPI strengthens a country's financial markets by increasing liquidity. This makes it easier for domestic companies to raise capital through stock offerings and for investors to participate in the market. A liquid market with a healthy flow of funds fosters a more robust financial system, which is essential for long-term economic growth. Knowledge transfer. FDI often involves foreign companies bringing in their expertise, technology, and management practices. This exposure to new ideas and methods can lead to increased productivity, innovation, and overall economic development in the host country. The potential pitfalls. While foreign investment offers undeniable advantages, it's important to acknowledge the potential risks. Vulnerability to external factors. FFIs are often sensitive to political and economic instability. If they perceive a rise in political turmoil or a decline in economic prospects, they may withdraw their investments abruptly. This sudden capital flight can destabilize financial markets and hinder economic growth. Control concerns. Large-scale FDI can sometimes lead to foreign companies having a dominant role in a country's key industries. This raises concerns about potential loss of control over domestic resources and decision-making power. Finding the right balance. Foreign financial investment presents a unique opportunity for economic development. However, governments need to create an environment that attracts the right kind of investors while mitigating potential risks. Here are some key considerations. Political stability. A nation with a stable and predictable political climate is more likely to attract and retain foreign investors. Investors seek an environment where they can operate with confidence and make long-term plans. Skilled workforce. A well-educated and skilled workforce makes a country more attractive for foreign companies looking to invest. This ensures access to a qualified talent pool that can contribute to the success of their ventures. Transparent regulations. Clear and transparent regulations regarding foreign investment create a level playing field for both domestic and foreign investors. This fosters trust and confidence in the investment climate, leading to a more sustainable flow of foreign capital. By carefully navigating the opportunities and challenges presented by foreign financial investors, countries can harness their power to achieve sustainable economic growth and prosperity.